G'day, here's a small parcel for beginners of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, that's 150 millimetres or 15 centimetres from there to there. So some quite larger pieces. The material's been wetted to help highlight the colour, and the white you're seeing there's the light reflecting off the water. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer. Might as well start off with this piece. It's quite a large piece. More areas there that you possibly cut stones out of. This is just a face, probably. I don't think you'll find the opal goes in very far. It's on the top, except for that spot there. But that could join up with that. A little bit of pinks in the top of it. Bluey greens down the bottom there, as you can see. But this has just been sold as practice material. It's not high grade. There's a picture stone. And here, it's reasonably flat. There's another seam at the back here. Looks like it comes through to here. Sorry. From there it goes through to here. So you slice that off, and then you could slice through this way. Try to meet it up and then split it. You could try splitting it, or safer to grind, just grind down from the top down. This is an interesting piece. It's got a nice vibrant flash of colour in here. What I'd be doing is just cutting that into a pendant shape. And, you can see the colours in that actually. It's quite nice. A piece of potch colour. Here's a stone where the face has been broken off. The high quality piece. Don't forget it's priced on the total deal, not on one individual stone. And this piece is a piece of Koroite. And it's got a bit of colour in it. Through the middle here. Not a lot, but it might slice into a few stones. A bit more colour up here, which is quite often the case. Colour isn't like in layers, like on an onion. Might be worthwhile grinding that off first and see what sort of stone you're going to get there before you cut it up. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.